Hey, what's up everyone? I hope you're all doing great today. Today I'm going to show you how to stop your MacBook from automatically booting up every time you open the lid or connect it to power. This can be a real game changer for those who find it annoying or disruptive. I know it can be super annoying when your MacBook just springs to life unexpectedly, but don't worry, there's a simple workaround. Whether you're in a meeting, a quiet library, or just want to control when your MacBook turns on, this guide will help you out. First things first, make sure you're using a Mac laptop with Apple Silicon running, macOS Sequoia or later. This method won't work on older models or operating systems, so it's crucial to check your MacBook specs. We're going to use Terminal to enter a few commands. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Alright, let's dive in. Terminal might seem intimidating at first, but it's a powerful tool that can help you customize your MacBook in ways you might not have thought possible. Open Terminal, which you'll find in the Utilities folder within the Applications folder. If you're having trouble finding it, you can also use Spotlight by pressing Command plus space and typing Terminal. Once you've got Terminal open, you'll need to type a command. This command will tell your MacBook to change its default behavior. Here are the commands you can use. These commands are straightforward and easy to remember. 1. To stop your MacBook from booting up when you open the lid or connect it to power, type 1. If you only want to prevent it from starting up when you open the lid, type 1. And to stop it from booting up only when connecting to power, use. After typing your chosen command, press Enter. This will execute the command and apply the changes to your system. Terminal will prompt you for your administrator password. Go ahead and type it in. This step is necessary to authorize the changes. Keep in mind it won't show up as you type, but that's totally normal. Just type your password and hit Enter. Now, if you ever want to re-enable the startup when opening the lid, just type and hit Enter. Easy, right? This way you can always revert back to the default settings if you change your mind. A couple of things to keep in mind. These commands are powerful, so use them wisely. These steps won't prevent your MacBook from booting up when you press a key or use the trackpad. So if you accidentally press a key, your MacBook will still turn on. If you need to clean your keyboard without triggering key input, you might want to check out third-party apps like Cleanup Buddy. These apps can temporarily disable your keyboard and trackpad, making it easier to clean your device. Oh, and if that startup chime is driving you nuts, you can disable it by going to System Settings, then Sound, and unchecking the Play Sound on Startup option. This can make your MacBook startup process much quieter. Alright, to quickly recap, we've covered how to stop your MacBook from automatically booting up using terminal commands. You can disable your MacBook's automatic startup by using terminal commands. This gives you more control over when your MacBook turns on. Choose the command that fits your needs, enter your admin password, and you're good to go. It's a simple process that can make a big difference in your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave any questions in the comments below. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day.